Life is a scam, that is a plan. Yamang loko ayisa. Lahat ipitala alam mo muna kanungan.
The smile is broken.
Generation knows a huge economic presence.
Angisakhonokuphuza. Bazophaphama. Ay bazophaphama laba. Ay bazophaphama. Phela manje sekuvuka indoda endala. Ay bazophaphama. Ay bazophaphama laba. Ay bazophaphama. Phela manje sekuvuka indoda endala. Ngifikelwa imiqondo noma ngihamba endleleni. Le miqondo ayikhathali ayidineki. Ngizwa izigubhu namacilongo okukhala ngaphakathi kimi. Kungithatha kungise kujuleni kwemicabango yami. Ngizwa indoda imemeza ngaphakathi kimi. Ithi Sibusiso, wesibusiso. Wena umveli nqangi wakudala ithemba kuba igama lakhe soze lashabalala kulomhlaba nasebusweni wabantu bakhe. Le ndoda ithi kimi, wena uyigugu kimi. Uyisizathu ngihlala ngibheka umhlaba ngimamatheka ngithi lo mhlaba uyahlaba kodwa le nkosi engibeke njalo emhlabeni ayivumi umhlaba uhlabe yona ihlaba umhlaba. Ihlaba abantu bami ngamagama ngiyavuma. Abantu bami bazophaphama. Ay bazo ya. Dankie bafethu. Indaba ngiprepareile manje. Ungamla ifayilami eziningi.
Kanti ubenzani umuntu?
Okay, it's ngizamele isingisi eish. Okay, the name of the poem is called Black Political Suit. I wrote it sometime last year. Black political suit. Drowning citizens inside the political soup. Cooked on the floor fire inside the 3 foot. Serving the soup with hot and confusing spices that will give you sleepless nights. Black political suits sits around the round table discussing how to control the minds of the citizens. Cut off the light, switch off the water supply that will show them their lives is not in their hands. Hence they outside boycotting, screaming, shouting like baboons who lost their bananas, carrying big white boards written in tears, screaming change. Not even that can shake or move black political suits from power. Open fire, says the police captain to his brutal force who awaits the citizens. Guns, rifles and pump guns go off one by one. Black bodies hit the ground one by one. Black political suits. Drowning citizens inside the political soup. Cooked inside the floor fire, inside the 3 foot. Serving the soup with hot and confusing spices that will give you sleepless nights. Away. Okay, ithi yothando nyana noba ungabangeke please ngakhona uthi ngayo. Okay. Ngizongathi khona ohlekayo ngapha next door. Now ngamla. Ifile kanti okay asike.
Mlakanto akamkhaliphani lakhe.
Leke mfethu ushute please.
Yeah, ngimenza lokho.
Sabotage nongabe ukuthi ngimthele lama. Unjani dina kaphelelo?
Yes.
Usachubi ikhanda lakhe elikhulu ubeke nonyawo phansi uthi akayeke lento yakho sazenyofa. Bazini laba ngokuphila njengesikhova. Singazi uthole negama lesibili unjani Dini David. Phela kuyedala ubevele umabone kude Thela impama ebhonweni ngehla ibhande ebhlukweni kaphuma inhlamvu esibhamini. Sazogqwala ngale ndoda uNjandini Dlavini. Ihlukumeze yaze thola nendlela kuzokushikashika. Uzomtshelani ngoba wonke lamaqala uNjandini Dlavini uvele wazithulela ummeli ophethe zonke izikhiye zokuvula iminyango evaliwe kudideka abantu bazizwe ngathi bayinsango babhenile. Hayi. Asiyeke manje uNjandini. Hayi bafutha. Masibizele emuva. Ngoba akunane soundtrack nyane ekhalayo ngizizwa mina. Okay, ithi ngishaya ukugcina bese ngiyasuka ngoba ngathi sibaningi. 1 2 3 okay. Sonke siyangena ngisho ngapha. Ngayenza yonke lela fight mangalifunda. Sekuthi akunawa.
Mina sikusisa umsifike yamkeliwe lapho. Dowe.
Ubuthe uzongifonela noma ke ungithumela uphimbo nothi ku WhatsApp ngephimbo lakhe lemnene nami ngizibuza ukuthi WhatsApp ngale mizwe futhi amalangabi ngaphakathi kwami. Ngikhuluma ngesiphalaphala sentokazi esithe masimoyizela kwavela amazinya amhlophe aqobezele kwedayimani elimhlophe qwa. Awuswile maphepha. Wavele wangikhumbuza uBrix Mabricado wenziwa ndapente engafuni ukuhlala kufika le yakho akusiyona ireverse yomhlaba ireverse yokugana nje kuphela cha yazi uthe uma ngibuka wangibuka sabukana isikhathi sami kwesikhashana inhliziyo zaphuma emzimbeni zagqumelana maqedana wakhala iziginqi zaze ziyagiyelana man hayi mntana umuntu man uyamenza man hayi man nazi nginamanga man ngempambuso okwenza yenza inhliziyo yami uyayicova cova ubuthe uzongifonela noma ungithumela uphimbo nothi ku WhatsApp ngephimbo lakhe lemnene nami ngizibuza ukuthi WhatsApp ngale mizwe futhi amalangabi ngaphakathi kwami bafethi kamumeja
Wala meja.
ya ngoba uTikTok uthe akazangazi mako yangibona hayi ngabula ngashaya ukugcina nje nci ngalifana hayi
Uzozola kahle yokugcina.
okay
Ngale file.
Laba ngiphethe imali yabo ukuthi ngibeke la ngibona
Omunye oshaya ingqondo.
hayi kunika creative ne angeke sithi umuntu uhlushwa ingqondo ngcono sithi uya hexapola uya quadrupola yabo ama character wonke umuntu unama character hayi ukuthi yabo kanjani
Manje example.
kuba mina hayi mina ngiphuza amanzi kakhulu ngehydropola amen
Uzwile.
maka nawe wasearcha ukuthi banizi yakhe ukuthi wena uya pencapola
Abangifaki lokuguleni kwenu.
yazi ngenzeni yabo since abantu bangigcina ngonjandini things ngiyifunde yabo yonke part 1 ngoba le part 2 ndaba sengimdala ngikhulile uNjandini akaphelele usaqhuba ikhanda lakhe elikhulu ubeke nonyawo phansi uthi akayeki lento yakho usazoyinyoka basi laba ngokuphila njengesikhova sekazi uthole negama lesibili uNjandini Dlavini phela kuyidala ubevele kumabona kude ngokuthela impani maye ebhonweni ngehla ibhande ebhlukweni ngaphuma inhlamvu esibhameni usazogcwala ngale ndoda uNjandini Dlavini ihlukumeze yazi naye asiyeke bafethu mina nje ngizokusho ke bafethu ngoba mina ngiyathanda ukufundisana yabo engingakusho ukuthi konje sibhalile saskipa dukude ya uneskipa lesi Mr Mandla ngicela ubheke emuva lapho ya uyasibona iskipa sibhale dukude yabo to others bathi drive noma uthenga imoto driver makamgibeze omunye umuntu blessed hello ngiyabonga bafethu asikisi ngizamile prepare mara siyabonga
To give it up for Major. What about Tunyaze? On all the social media platforms, we are Duduza Poetry Sessions. And you can also follow me, Christopher Mr. Sizzler Masamu, on all the social media platforms. My name is Christopher Masamu, aka Mr. Sizzler, the one and only, the best that ever. Always high, what do you pay me, baby? When I say Mr., you say Sizzler. Mr. Mr. Okay, my friend, you are. Blessed M. I read my leader. I says Blessed M, my friend, a round of applause.
Hell on earth for earth is hell. Heaven is just a mythical spell, a misconception as well. Heaven is yourself and hell is earth. Life is a scam, death is a blend, decomposition is renewal of the land. I am still searching for sound, still searching for weight. Appropriate for this verse, for ignorance will be the downfall for every continent and continent. Consciousness is knowledge of life and death. Timeless sense, we are deep in curse. Babylon trends, propaganda to be exact. Hell on earth for earth is hell. Heaven is just a mythical spell. Hell on earth for earth is hell. Heaven is just a mythical spell. The coffin was prepared before my death. Resurrection is a gap between the mind and the intellect. The system puts you in a deep trance, not even hypnosis can bring you back. Day by day you suffer for every lie you tell. Life is a rhythmical quest, I call it weapon the steps, for I see no difference between heaven and hell, so in seeking knowledge I dwell. Hell on earth for earth is hell. Heaven is just a mythical spell. Hell on earth for earth is hell. Heaven is just a mythical spell. I thank you.
Good.
This next one is called The Zookeeper. Two short poems. The zookeeper does not feed the lion the gorilla's diet. He knows the way of life. The zookeeper is a library creature. China for the Chinese, India for the Indians. Let the gorillas eat their leaves in peace. The gorilla's children can't be raised by lions, pigs, or chickens. For the gorilla, nature provides. For the gorilla, the elephant is God. Thank you.
Rasta.
When a trumpeter dies, my fingers become mouthpieces. When I play the piano, the singer depends on me. I can't allow the trio to duet. When a trumpeter dies, his breath remains to blow the top of time for centuries to come. When a trumpeter dies, his life of wax ascends to a place in the mind called remembrance. Give me a swing was the trumpeter's last request. I thank you.
Well, let's get it over with.
One more time for Blessed Ever Virtue. The next poet on stage, he goes by the name of Thabo Madua. As he comes on stage, Virtue. A round of applause.
Sanbo.
Yes.
Tumela.
Akhel.
Abshe.
Marama.
Nda.
Ramadekwa.
Good afternoon or is it evening?
Aga.
Njani
Diga.
mfethu?
Na.
Khulume kakhulu thingenzela okwemfizi ngona and then move on. Dear poet, I have seen you in dark corners, hustling for metaphors and similes, peddling syllables like your life depended on it. Like words were air in your lungs and silence was water filling your chest. I have seen you batter with the night, trade sleep for lines that bite, bleed ink into serviettes, receipts, and the bags of prayers you no longer trust. I watched you kill it on stage, dear poet. Resurrect a room with your voice. Turn strangers into believers. Make everybody come alive with your words clapping in their rib cages. They cheered like you were immortal, dear poet. Like pain was just a punchline you rehearsed. Like the mic was a halo and not a ruse you learned to wear elegantly. I also witnessed your death the minute you walked away from the mic, dear poet. When the lights shut off, they are messy. When applause evaporates and you are left alone with a body that no longer knows how to speak, dear poet. Off stage, your poems don't hold you. Your metaphors clock out early. Your similes refuse to save you. There is no anchor for the quiet, dear poet. Dear poet, you write about drowning but forget to come up for air. Breathe, dear poet. Live, dear poet. Remember, you are more than your best line. You don't have to die every time the poem lives.
A round of applause.
Ile king of the ice cream.
I stopped praying the night I witnessed my grandmother attempting to walk off the pain in her bruised knees. Her fate limping before her body did. My grandmother prayed day and night. She wore the floor thin with devotion, knelt until her bones learned the language of suffering, until her knees looked like they had been arguing with God and lost. I watched her whisper heaven into the dark, call God by his first name like they were old friends who still owed each other favors.
Bring it back.
I stopped praying the night I witnessed my grandmother attempting to walk off the pain in her bruised knees, her fate limping before her body did. My grandmother prayed day and night. She wore the floor thin with devotion, knelt until her bones learned the language of suffering, until her knees looked like they had been arguing with God and lost. I watched her whisper heaven into the dark, call God by his first name like they were old friends who still owed each other favors. My uncle didn't make it that night. The silence that followed was louder than every hymn she ever sang. It felt as if God was laughing at her heartfelt prayer. Not a cruel laugh, worse, an indifferent one. The kind that echoes after an ambulance leaves, after candles melt into petals of May, after hope is pronounced dead by people in white coats. I saw her fold her hands the next morning, still thank God for keeping her alive.
Oh yes, bring it back.
For anybody out there who lost somebody that's special to them, I did. I got an angel up in heaven that talks to me in my sleep. Shed tears when I wait to get off of me just to speak. If ever had a phone, I sent a text to my bro.
Okay, this one is titled The Man with a Squeaking Shoe. The man with a squeaking shoe walks through the city like an alarm no one wants to fix. Every step says listen. Every step answers back with silence. He doesn't chant. He doesn't carry a sign. His protest is unintentional, stitched into the sole of a tired shoe that refuses to die quietly. Speak against polished floors built on broken backs. Squeak down corridors where promises echo louder than truth. Squeak past men in suits who learn how to move without noise, how to steal without footsteps. They stare at him like he's the problem, like injustice isn't screaming in surround sound, like hunger isn't loud, like grief doesn't creak at night. The man with a squeaking shoe is late because the system works faster than him. He apologizes for the noise, while the world never apologizes for the damage. Security watches him closely, not the hands slipping into public pockets, not the policies limping entire communities, just the shoe that won't shut up. The squeak is a question. Why do you flinch at noise, but sleep through suffering? Why does disruption scare you more than decay? He reaches the end of the street, the shoe still crying for attention. And for a moment, just a moment, someone turns their head, because truth rarely whispers. It squeaks, awkward, unpolished, impossible to ignore, unless you have practiced ignoring pain. The man keeps walking, the shoe keeps speaking, and the protest continues, one honest step at a time. I give thanks.
Yeah, give a fair round of applause for Tamar Duarte. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Give a fair to Nazi. I'm an artist and I'm also an entrepreneur. I have a local product. Can I get your attention, please? Yes, let's pause it. Let's say 100 bucks. 100 bucks per fair too. Siatawa, Lubnandi, banana, Golden. The tequila la. I taste tequila, yes. Look, she's desha yung tinta sa putali. I taste tequila. Shamo kokoan. Give a fair to. Friends, are you ready, my G? Okay. The artist that's gonna come on stage now goes by the name of Prince Charlie, and then he's gonna bless us. Oh, Prince Mafimbe, hey, pardon me. Hey, but it's just out here.
Greetings, Bafethu. I go by the name of Prince Mavimbela, Kulalum Zulu. Is it the Major? So shy on my language, but yeah, DJ, you can start the show.
Kill it.
Patience, it's coming.
Hey, Charlie. Charlie. There's a color message. Yeah, we
Give a fair to. In the meantime, I'm turning Robin to rubber like map, metamorphosis, lumberjack tape juice higher than Kevin and Lumberstratus. Spectrum analyzer, nigga eats a box and collects in the morning, he claims as a serial killer. But I'm the real blood spiller. If I'm not taking a life, then it's probably life. Who eats is not the one who can swallow knives. X-ray detectable 175 millimeters of sterilized abdominal content. Oh God, please forgive this feeble-minded commercial MCs who only spit nonsense. The quantity can sprinkle special formulated lyrics that cost less than 6 cents. If you've never seen my video on TV, that means you're watching Special Assignment. If you want to retaliate with a few lyrics that are intoxicated humans that fucked up full alignment, I meditate the middle of the lake and kill MCs and place their eyeballs around me. So welcome to my island. When I stretch my satanic thoughts, even rubber bands will be jealous. This thing is so demonic, I make Christians take off the rosaries with other gun in my hand. See, I told them on volume 1, I want to see blood on my dreads. Getting MCs, the same MCs who couldn't drop shit to if they were champions of anal sex, they couldn't shut me up with a giant staple. I'm tired of slicing Adams, I want to slice Eve's apple. Vampire Painter was a Looney Tunes. My vocals jeopardized production machinery. When awakening began, hip-hop became a magical dimension of chaos when Lucifer baptized me in the blood of a Christian nation. Let's take a walk under the umbrella of lyrical darkness as I dissect commission MCs and live them in a world of fascination. See, my play moves like an analog, but remains digital to the space of biochemical frozen volcanoes. Tweet like old energy. Open the refrigerator. The blood of all MCs is useless, so we use it as beverages. When my vocals interact with electrocution, all MCs will be haunted by the mysteries of metaphors and the residents of evil. My name is Mr. Sizzler, the one and only, the best that ever, always high. But they pay me better. Without saying Mr., you'll say Sizzler. Mr. Let's go. DJ, are we ready? Yellow. Yes, Prince.
Yeah,
Take it away. Let's go.
we stand up sound, ngicela uthathe isandla sami siyaha. My love is there, I just want to say the best part. I'm gonna draw on, but that was before you. Think you can turn out, okay, baby. I was like, oh, my love is a fake standard. I'm not good to know love. I thank you for her. I'm just being real, I just wanna go home. I'm taking you, babe, I'ma do what I gotta do, my friend. I know that it's gonna be hard, but we both in love. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Hold up, baby, girl, you my love. Hold up, baby, show me some love. Hold up, baby, girl, you my love. Yeah.
Let's go.
It's not clear.
Let's go.
It's not clear. But listen. See, let's go. Yeah. So it goes like this. Yeah, it's under let. Mahanya shupega no. Nifuna le mali ya posta. Angazi ngayenza ni do. Yeah, it's under let. Mahanya shupega babe no. Angazi ngayenza ni do. Yeah, it's under let. Mahanya shupega babe no. So it goes like this. Sexy. Makamfunga ngabole benexe. Abantu bayambuza why so late. In pain, I can't take that I have to be grateful. Lizofigilanga Mtu wenu kwele amanga Wanomo Inanzopumelela Gaiti Yafunga toana yamstu I'll see you later. So go, there's all your panda. Zankatelu kalendini. Oh yeah. Hey, what's up? Baby, I'm asking my answer. Yeah, it's under Pellet. Maya, you better don't join us. The Limali is post. Asking my answer. Yeah, it's under Pellet. Maya, you better be no. Music repeat after me. I'm asking my answer. ngiyayithanda phela makayahlupheka babe no angazi ngayethani do ngiyayithanda phela makayahlupheka ngifuna le mali yes no I know ngiyabonga bafethu but iphatha ayikakapheli bafethu yabo yeah good man just funa ukuthi manje sijive I know it's a hip hop event but you know I wanna perform the song unfortunately yabo kumele sijive kancane yabo sithi kancane yabo asa not a piano artist mara sizojive man asa yeah siyabakhathaza sibethele imali ntwana asambe soyenza iplan asiye ngaphandle ntwana sizobona abantwana ba ayithumele imoto mfana basasobabona thina siyabakhatha sibethele imali ntwana asambe soyenza iplan asiye ngaphandle ntwana sizobona abantwana ba ayithumele imoto mfana basasobabona Niyasabakata, tina sabakata, bambalana sisko, ngeke bangelo, tina sizofaga umfutho, tina sizobuyeso, manje asikhetho, tana yamcela uthi, ulamba ka-amanyo, ngikidala impila ikulula, ngikidala asu, asame siyobuza, ngikidala Put it up to that, dig it down, Mama na manitula, dig it down, yeah. It be like Colula, dig it down, Asa, me see a pooza, dig it down, hey. Put it up to that, dig it down, Asa, Masana na pooza, dig it down, yeah. Abafethu no ngiyabonga abafethu I go by the name of Prince Mavimbela.
Yeah, give it up for Prince, ladies and gentlemen.
Prince Mavimbela. Uncle.
Sanburan. Hello. How are you? I'm happy. Kamala Vivian Mofuteng Shobi Maschaba. Ngiyabonga ukuba la, ngiyabonga nabantu abazini. So, ngizophe for my poem titled Untitled. It goes like this. Sacela simamelane again. I'm the love I've been searching for. The one who sees me bruised and broken more. In my own eyes, I find a flicker of hope. A love that says, you are enough, you can cope. I'm the treasure I've been digging I'm the treasure I've been digging for. Hidden in the depths where my fears were stored. I touch my heart and it still beats for more. And love that's raw, unfiltered and galore. I'm the masterpiece, with all my shattered parts. My flaws are beauty marks etched on my heart. I'm the love story I've been desperate to read. The plot twist, I'm the one who's learning to heed. My tears fall like rain when I think I'm not enough. But then I remember, I'm the one who's tough. I hold myself close through the dark of night and whisper, you are loved and you are alright. I'm the love I've been searching for. In the mirror gaze, I see a soul so worn, but love sees me as beauty that has been reborn. I'm the phoenix rising from the ashes of my past. My love for myself is the fire that will last. I'm the safe haven I've been searching for. A place where my heart can breathe and be at peace for sure. No judgment or fears, just love and light. A sanctuary where I will shine and everything will be alright. I celebrate my quirks, my crazy and messy ways, the things that make me unequally in endless days. I own my truth and I wear it like a worn-out t-shirt. My own self-love is my revolution that sets my soul to work. I'm the canvas and paint, the art of the frame, creating a masterpiece that's uniquely mine to claim. I love my scars. They tell a story of strength, a testament to me and myself, and love at its strength. Yabo.
Son boy. Nappy. They sing this cutting again the stage. But Jando Bob 42. I'm going to body some myself, no waste this cut. So we're sure not a bit. Ngaqala ngaqeda namanje ngisaqhuba baqala bayeka safika bezama bekhala bebhala safika ngenkodlo baphila sathi masiqala bagxeka bahleka bahle basathatha amagama safaka ephepheni kwaphuma inkondlo somandla ngiyasaba lo mhlaba uyahlaba kulamba nomkaba badinga amagama yisidlo sikamoya Kinyanga amagama ngenkondlo ngiyalapha fulani inhliziyo nthulisa imimoya manje ngiyabhuthula khuluma umoya nedlozi vumani bo makhosi inkondlo ngayinikwa amakhosi ambela phezulu ngukhosi bayedenga inkosi umbhalo ngiyakuthanda inkondlo ngiyayiphila weba ukuphina umhla uyahlaba ngihlale ngithandaza Jalo ngiyakhala ngezinkondlo zami ngifuna ukuphila nami hlale ngifisa nami ozeduze kwami babahlala nami jalo mangibhala ngiyakhala ngiyasivela ngenkondlo ngomqondo ngifisa ukuphila impilo engcono ngekhona lapha bangitshela ngesikole ngenkondlo ngiyavula ngiyavala ngisiqalo ngisibhedo sengihlala amagama sengiphila ngokubhala kodwa ngiyakhala ngifisa ukuyilahla ayingiphilisi kodwa ngiyayithanda Thixo somandla ngibonisa indlela Thixo somandla vula iminyango Thixo somandla Now we try to work hard on pen and paper, not to get the paper, play the game, no pain, no gain. I fail, I try again, I call upon the rain, the drought is on my brain. Minor setbacks for major comebacks, they try to set me back, I went back, but I'm back with major comebacks. I'm back and I'm for me, and I'm still me. I've been praying to see the way paving, now it's wavy. Poetry and music, many said I can't do both, now I'm trying to do them both. I'm not trying to prove them point, I'm sent, chosen, mission possible. Anything is possible.
Anything is possible.
Izolo emgaqweni bengikade ngihaye inkondlo ngothando lweqiniso. Athi amantombazane bhuti kukuphi sonke lesi sikhathi siswele uthando lweqiniso abesilisa bedlala ngathi. Bathi bhuti sicela usifake nathi kule nhliziyo yakhe nothando nathi siyafisa ukubuza ubumnandi bothando. Ngithini ngixolele bosisi nami ngiyafisa ukulifaka kule nhliziyo yami nothando inkinga ngifike kabi sengiyokubhela uthando ithuna. Njengoba ningibona la emgaqweni nami ngithunywa ngifumbe umyalezo. Ithi inkondlo mangitshele bonke abasemathandweni ukuthi bagqoke isambatho esimnyama enzilo bazile uthando ngoba izolo embhedweni esifazane kubonakala imali nenkanuko zibulala uthando. Madoda qaphelani. Nami ngibamba ngezansi ngenkathi wesilisa ngitshela ukuthi uhlushwa iphupho uthi njalo emva konke zasebusuku unophupho unkosikazi wakhe mgqokisa ijazi elingamlingani kahle liphupho lichazana lakhala iqiniso lisithele emva kwamanga ngenkathi babone bekhohlisana ngothando lwamanga lwathi mbongi bengisacela ukuphendula mina mhlambe kuyoba ngcono mangibonakala ngamehlo ngoba ngezinde bena ngezindle bebangisaba ngathi eqinisweni iqiniso nami ngiyakusaba ukuphendula wena ngoba laba bangithanda bazongisaba phela ngizobe sengibaba vele eqiniso uyababa ingakho kwesinye isikhathi uma sikhuluma sikudala uthana namanga athi umkhulu msukulu lendlela othando iminyama ibonakali bengisacela ukuphendula isibani ukhanyisele laba abathanda ngeqiniso ngoba kathi bona bakhala kakhulu ubenze bathande ngamehlo langomqondo ngoba uthando malifika enhlizweni iphenduka utshwala inhliziyo iyadaba ingasabo ngisho nomisidlalwa yophapha mamhlasana isikhala Ngithi inkondlo abaningi bena nilibonanga noma selifikile uthando lweqiniso ngoba nisuke naphenduka izithano uthando nisebancane kepha nginibeka icala ngoba uthandani namnyaka ingakho nenhliziyo yesiphuka sisebancane athi umkhulu msukulu lendlela othando iyafana nohambo lwempilo ifuna ukwazi ukubekezela ngithi kanjani mkhulu ngoba kwesinye isikhathi nokuchitha isikhathi endaweni ekuchithela isikhathi ngaleso sikhathi sibe sikushiya nasisikhathi ngoba usuke usuphenduka indawo linde kuyona umaqondana wakho angempela ngiyalisaba uthando mase kuzoneka nokunganacala uthi omunye umngane wami mfethu mina ngiyalizonda usuke sahlangana ngalo mina naye ngithi kanjani mfethu ngoba usuka linacala athi maqala uyazi mfethu ngisathanda mangikona ungena maqondana awusazami nakulabo bakufunayo ngithi mfowethu labo ngangibachomela namhlanje bangichomela abathuphe ngangichoma ngaye kepha ofisa ukwasemathandweni nami okwamanje ngizomnika isineke ngicela ngilinde kancane enhlizweni nami kabi khona uthando ngisathumile ukuthi lolanda ithemba ngoba engangimthemba wahamba nalo ithemba lena Yingondle ekhalayo ngamagama ezisulu zothanda elifele enhlizweni ephukile izolo bengisusa ukhula ithunene enhliziyo efele othandweni kanti nami yami enhliziyo imnyamizele ukufa kothando lwayo eqinisweni oyothandwa enhliziyo yami beqopha umlando ngovusa uthande kufeni ngoba ngifica inhliziyo ikhala emcabangweni ithi yathunukala njalo umqondo macabanga izenzo zayizolo zothando lathi inkondlo sukhale kakhulu Cela ungasadideki imababone bebahle ngaphandle ngoba nepentshisi linokukhazimula ngaphandle kepha ngaphakathi libelibolile konke ngicela ungiphendula amehlo othando ngikwazi ukubonela uthando indlela neqiniso athi umunye umfowethu mina mbongena namhlanje ngisadidekile kuza kanjani uthando olungabone kube luyinto enhle kangaka ngithina mangazi mfowethu mhlawumbe mangwahamba uze embedeni engakuphendula kangcono ngobe namehlo ngoba kuyakhala othandweni inkosi yami ubuhlungu abusayiswela indawo yokuhlala kanti nezelwe emgaqweni kufica uthando olikhala lithi iswela indawo yokuhlala lithi sengaxosha enhlizweni ephukile kwahlaliswa phansi ubuhlungu lithi abantu abaningi amalemele ngaphansi kwegama lami abasangifisi kwakungifisa yathi inkondlo vala inhliziyo uvula amehlo nomqondo ungadidwa iminya yesinijolile isibhizo ngomaqondana kanti umakhwapheni ngoba ngelinye ilanga uyomficeleni nomaqondana wakho ngempela uthi akuchithela kanti bethitha na wena makhwapheni athi umama mntana uthando olidala lahlelwa khokho thina besini ngithi mama kwangathi ayibanga lula indlela yakho othandweni athi mntana uqinisile vela ayibanga lula mina ngangithi ngizakhela umuzi kanti ngakhela umunye umfazi umuzi umena wamakazanga nelesaka yimina wahlule ukulawula induku yakhe mhleseshana kamakhelwane ekhuluma ekhala ebeka izandla ekhanda ethi makhelwane wangenza ngokugcebheza ngoba amehlo amadoda wasuthi konke ukudla okubukeka kukuhle kubona kuyadleka athi mntana mvela indoda ayineliseki ngoba inokushuka ukudla kwasendlini hambe yodla ngaphandle ngithi kanjalo uma nasentweni esifazane unokushiya indoda endlini lambili idlo endlala hamba ophakela ngaphandle ochaza ukuthi vele thina abantu asineliseki athi inkondlo seningixolela makonzekani ngithukuthelela nama ngizenzi ngisebenzini ngiqashiwe la inkondlo bizo konke ngikubona ephupheni nasemcabangweni bele ngikufaka ephepheni ngigcine ngokukuphimisa ngoba mangizogcina emqondweni kofana nokuthi ngifihla iqiniso kanti bangathi ukuthela nabaphansi bathi ngifihla kanjani iqiniso ekubeni ngeqiniso emhlabeni wamaka yathi inkondlo sacela ukudeda usana ibhoyimbo ngejulile lo ngicike ngicikoza ngiyabonga
Round of applause for Sunny Poimo Retulile Bafetu. Abasanda kusijoyina we are to do the poetry session. You can follow us on all the social media platforms. On behalf of it, we do the poetry session. DJ Botane. Okay, on behalf of the club, your time is not taken for granted. Shout out to Mandla for giving us his space, for giving us a home. That's all. A round of applause. Shout out for Abatita, Abuye Tem, Abuye Tsakana, Abuye Sotra. Abuye Maschapelikas, Nebuka. Seba separator. Then I jump by for a gate before Zongena like Makasana. Shout out for coming through. There's some trees in Abomada. No one must make a case. Got that, Seba shout out. Say yes, a little every second month. Stella Woods, Joy Sikulen Soka Sikubali. It won't end here. We're going further and further and further. For supporting us as we do the poetry sessions, give yourself a round of applause. Let's go! Okay, my friend, to wrap up now, we're gonna have do good to others thrive. Abafethu nabo basixasile bebanikeza abaswele impahla abafethu. A big shout out to them, a round of applause. Okay, so right about now, zobiza abafethu nje. Bongane nothemba bazosipheza. Baseza phambili bafethu. Ishophe. Shophe bafethu. Survival got me bumped.
Sale ngathi umdlalo ngempela nomshado la yena namthanda ngempela yena namthanda ngempela uthando uqala noma kanjani ngekulazi uthando uqala noma kanjani ngekulazi just give it a chance just a chance
Sura fetu.
Umntana umuntu ngiyakwala ngempela umntana umuntu ngiyakwala ngempela umntana umuntu ngiyakwala ngempela wena umntana umuntu ngiyakwala ngempela mawubone ezindaweni ulilengile khona sekuzishayela kancane ngiyobona wena thandwa sana mawubone ezindaweni ulilengile khona sekuzishayela kancane ngiyobona wena thandwa sana. Oh, today I caught myself smiling alone, but then I realized that I was thinking about her. Oh, I just wanna say thank you, my love. Oh, I just wanna say thank you for it. Mambone sintabe nungilinde khona, sekuzishayela kancane, ngiyobona wena thandwa sana.
Sue, let's go. Asiyashisa bafethu mawufudume.
Oh, uNkulunkulu wasemandulo. Oh, uNkulunkulu oqala. uNkulunkulu wasemandulo. uNkulunkulu oqala. Ngiyakhuleka woqala ngiyakhuleka angithi woqala uNkulunkulu wasemandulo. uNkulunkulu angithi woqala uNkulunkulu uyakhuleka khuleka kuNkulunkulu wokuqala uhluleke njengesenzo uyakhuleka khuleka kuNkulunkulu angithi wokuqala.
Bafethu. If that is not talent, I don't know what it is. A round of applause for Bafethu one more time. Round of applause one more time. Okay, mine is this song. My main act, Bafethu. Ladies and gentlemen, this artist here, he goes by the name of Soul Melodies. He's from Eastern Cape. What I say, to Bafethu. We came a long way. A round of applause, Asazokala. On all the social media platforms, I'm Tolum Fetuju. On Instagram, Soul Melodies, right? Facebook, Soul Melodies, right? TikTok, Soul Melodies, right? I ain't got number. Hey, I'll send you baby. But wait, just bless and I. Matito, mam for the man. A round of applause for one who chooses the stage. Take it away, Machi.
Molweni. Molweni. Ngithanda ukuthi ngimqwatha ublango ufolo umnyamana esosisiduko sami igama elaliphembele ekhaya ngosiphelele lwandle kwaqhamngana. NgingomXhosa ngixhosa isixhosa samaXhosa sasixhosa kwanhlisi kwanhlandlelo sasixhosa namhlanje. Ukuba uhleli nami ngicela ukuthi Camakho. Ndiyabulela.
Engoma ithe kango ithe kango mama ithe kango Belingangi wena wasemantulo Ingiza wena oh la 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 Takale ndakondu kamate kale gisimika beka siniko kwa makaba Komatina sasi nyuki tabasteli kula kuyu kama tumbeli ngangina Oh ndakale ndakondu kamate kale gisimika beka siniko kwa makaba Sasi nyuka steli kula yo my sitenga ngoma
Debulela.
Sivuka noma singavumi, sikhandisa kaele nyanga, isiphithiphithi kuyeyiwa wena, unjalo kuze kuphele unyaka. Oh, zaga oh, sifuni zaga usifuni zaga sifuni zaga Emarikana kuphambeki sekufikela mathuke ulengana kuzeki lesama ibambeki sengithi ole ndabetawanisa nabazale nomakhelwane awunomphakathi emcimbini kulapho ngithola khona bo emcimbini kulapho emcimbini kulapho ngithola khona emcimbini arikana kuhambeki sekufikela mathuke lengana ikhuzeki lesama ibambeki sengithi ongilenda wesihabalisa nabazali nomakhelwane emcimbini kulapho ngithola khona emcimbini kulapho ngithola khona.
Ngizawucula nje ingoma zokugqibela zibe mbini. Njengoba bechilo ubhuti man ukuba ndiyafumaneka kuzo zonke social media platforms as Soul Melodies. So okokuqala ngizawuqala mbulele abantu abasi-inviteyileyo apha, ndithi umdala nanditsela nichumisele apha nithatha khona yaye ningakhula nihlale niyibambile. Sabulela nge-invite esifumeneyo apha. Camakho.
Thank you, thank you. Ngiyabonga. Yes.
Bafeto, round of applause for Soul Melodies. And he's available for bookings, Bafeto. I'm out to charge money. Hey, Bafeto, before I call the other man of the hour, I'd like to do something special. Ziad. By the way, Bafeto, we don't kulele to do that. Remember Jane Avenue? Yeah. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Okay, let's go. It goes a little something like this. Bear, ayo bakuru pitu juice vele pemele mfudeni na machita kule na watweni na matesfumeni. Ngita mkule gibenganga vele haifage mandeni ngeta show kutingege vele mfele mbele mwe. Akuru pitu juice vele pemele mfudeni na machita kule na watweni na matesfumeni. Ngita mkule gibenganga vele haifage mandeni ngeta show kutingege vele mfele mbele mwe. Nice, yeah, Quick player with this niggas, I'm a body executing. Flow so sick, I don't spit but I throw up. All wreck MCs up the skies and I fuck them up. Matter with the beat, with a confidence of funeral. I'll be cutting shots like a 5-star general. Never get the range and don't thought on the same track. I'm a cut and spinning for you, enemies don't play track. Yeah, check it out, yo. I get my hardcore like the other hole. Oh, let's skip it for you, terminate the psycho sports. Send it up the odds with the red psycho. The verbal sperms, multiply your verbal jets, expand like my time on quantic terms. Creature from the underworld, playing quantic verbs. Fire in my blood streams behind me, popping flames. Inflated excitation with the sword jumping flames. Flash ripping teeth and expression of my greed. Bite them on the faces, then I watch them when they bleed. Watch them when they scream, and I suck them in my dreams. Better do the champions of the skeletons I show. Got them circumcision with blades, got your dope. It's scared to get tortured in the death of hell. Trust them in the pit of flames when they kick a yell. Apocalyptic armor, bloody death to send a spell. Rip out your underreach and step your eye, project the breeze. Present your body like the mommy wrapping bandages. I spit and make a pump explosion when I spit. Blood on the ground when you get your dope slayed. Great methodology of your skate philosophies. Disrespecting God when performing blasphemy. 8-headed snake with a spirit of the vulture. In the end, a broken truth, the demon in the sculpture. Explosive with the thoughts, but don't just like a dwarf. Rest in style hooks, I was stripped to the shores. With cannibals and twins, the suffering of blizzards. Meant to get destroyed with the spells of the potion. Homo sapiens at the 8th evolution. Depending on the chapel in the second degree. What's up in the starting when I'm talking on the spirit? It's good against the evil. The war will never end. I I grew up with the Jews of an permanent food. I'm a teeth and couldn't 20 tabatas food. Is a cool and given out of a life by the man getting in the show. Putting a billion great. Grew up with the Jews of an permanent food. Yeah. Couldn't have a 20 tabatas food. Yeah. Cool and given out of a life by the man getting in the show. Yeah. Akitizana mshindi wami jela mina nkombe bani ifukombi zitazami Felix imezoni bani uwe Potu konka kanagata like mandoza wenu no buchapi kaseru paga mama bakbongu ya spona Black to Zulu mshindi wami tunyitutu waksadisa shayi bubu uta reparete no op Salek jini wami kata kane sami mabas vade Jai kane Pula mafesteru kapatiyo ni mendela nina In microphone nina Cross, relax
Hey yo, yes, yo,
it's been a long time since I wrote bars, some cool bars. I'm done flexing with those good vibes. Tell myself it's time to fist, make my teeth sharp. I'll be satisfied in there, see it on my wristwatch. So, you gotta tell me what you need, cause not as this guy I wear, whatever feels right. See you play patatas along with my steel pipe. Then I think I'm for them. Shut.
Yeah, yo, what's up? Sci-Fi Executive Officer. Ofuna mina fede ngizomkhombisa ukuthi bani mina impensede ngizokulolisa I don't give a fuck awuloli ngizomlolisa what's up Prince Kev you know this is Syntax hey yo I spit whatever from the dome no magupi ne let me do it for you asambeni ke hey yo what's up Prince Kev they don't know who I be Names proceed, you know I got what you need. Past the MIC, I got this whole shit complete. From the ghetto to the best. Black power is me. A big fucking pass. Begging girl the finger. Now we fed who pass. In a mind in Pega. In the night, the FedEx one, Torin Yanis Kazogan. When can you skill so Jelabin of Thailand? Hip hop time. Jelabin and Repedan. Figovan, Kulesquad, Jelabin and Repedan. I'm forever heavy dog. In a budget see the land. Over 57 feet. In a zip keep the land. King of this pants of this soul with the land. Yeah, to an alarm fire connected. And you up as the mic at 2 and 3 until everybody wanna be. And yo,
stop it to use of a permanent food in our cheat the cool and our 20 number to school and cool and give it out of a lemon fucking money in the shop. They can fail a billion where they go back. Who up in the use of a permanent food in our cheat the cool and our 20 number to school and give it out and fucking money in the shop. Put together film,
yo, hey, check it out, check it out, shout out, to walk on my house, you want that, what is this, she's in your body, check there is no one with some rapani casitan, over from the planet, shout out, to walk on my house, one love, now good as this, she's in your pagat, there is no one with some rapani casitan, some planet, women put them get your lifestyle, there is no one with some rapani casitan, from a planet, women put them get your lifestyle.
What? Hey, man, we understood to never mind interrogating about that panya on the aging, keep on paying up passage. Others for this, we've been in college, about Bentley, let's do us up to so very alleged. It's capacity if you're my enemies, you want to punish. Humble your location, so to be courage and apparate. I'm the king of life, killers, footing tight advantage. Until the stage, I just lose his pretext. Man, we understood to, I'll never be a voodoo. Me as suppose I didn't go to, one in a moto, one solo, no soto, no go back a shoto, but time to go to show, call it one motion. Session of looking at motion, you're going to tell us toto. I'm going to our tosho. As I'm preaching, I can slam sing like it does not toto. Pushing there and shine with toes.
Who up in the tools of Philip Pemberley and Pune, the Lamatita, Kuna now, what's really about the school? Get the cool and give it up. When I forget my name at the show, putting a Philip Swell and work. Who up in the tools of Philip Pemberley and Pune, the Lamatita, Kuna now, what's really about the school? He's a cool and give it up. I forget my name at the show, putting a Philip. Shout out to everybody joining the stage, my 30. I'm about to introduce the man of the hour. When I say double about to speaking, you repeat after me. Let's go. I don't double about to speaking. Double about to speaking. Double about to speaking. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Let's go. I don't double about to speaking. I don't double about to speaking. I don't double about to speaking. Yeah, that's who's about to bless us on stage. What about now? All the way from Mesotra. Am I right? On social media platforms, it's Ntombela_want to speaking, right? Yeah, my friend. So, my Lord is blesser. Kela, he said, I'm a pap, excitement is better. He came a long way to bless us, a pleasant lady to do. My friend, Ntombela_want to speaking. A round of applause, that's just blesser.
One, two. One, two, one. Yeah. E.T. Yo. Besizokudla ngodala kuzofana masikula sonke namaphutha amahle ngeke swaphinde insizwa mayinqonde inyathuka iyacula neva sakhula basibuza bonke uhle sibuko sibheke kubi ukuzibona kwenza abangizona kodwa nangivuma ngingafuni ukugula kwami kuhlala kuphi qala kuphi singathandana kwala kuphi ngamafuphi ngalalela sami isikhala bangaduli ngeke nimzike unoxhaka nidla phansi abakanhluli qolo ngeke ubambe impunzi ikhali izosha kunokudla usho kwamathafu ebusika qala ukoma sifuna ukudla thuba lamahlanye insizwe ngeke sibone ngekadusha phethe eqaleni okwendingiliza babusutha ukusha ngababumba basifundisa ukuphika bazophuma camashini okudla bathengisa ukugula bazoshuka bantshengisa ukufa ukusa kusangathuka mangavuka thole nemefula kuthenga imithandazo ngalokhu Inga masaka abanikazi sigula sonke athole inhlanhla athole inkinga zalo mhlaba esifuna sonke Sinda amagwala ngeke umdala ngizolonga ngilokuvaka kodwa kuyalo ukuthi ngilwe nabo bonke. Kunamasaka abanikazi sigula sonke athwele inhlanhla athwele inkinga zalo mhlaba sihlula sonke. Sinda amagwala ngeke umdala ngizolonga ngilokuvaka kodwa kuyalo ukuthi ngilwe. Yaza ngathola cwilo ofisi imfihlo zakaSgido namandla okusiqalekisa wathi solithenga ngegido wathi kuphatha amankengana likwazanga ukubuyela kithi ngithi ithemba naligubhela labuya lihamba nemithi sigula sonke lokuhlanya isipho ungasiphiki nalamambuka neqhudu balwisa manje kusasiza le mithetho yangaphandle sekwazi ukusakhela imizi bangithume ngesinye isikhathi manje ngibiza futhi angizi sinjwayele inkinga zethu ngichaya ngazo nalocingo unganyakazi lento ingakuphendula uhlazo vele njalo uhladla ngaphenduka udludla saya ngapho bakhohliwe ukuthi sayithatha singafuni nemicabo tshela abantu ukuthi ubaba ngimazi ngoba ubaba inkabi sekwazile umcula thungathubi khuluma ungasabi ukuthi ngikhapha abantu kwabaphansi akusenza abantu ababi kuhle ukuthi abantu bazi ukuze ibhakede ungalikhali qina amasaka abanikazi sigula sonke athwele inhlanhla athwele inkinga zalomhlaba sihlula sonke sinda amagwala ngeke umdala nizwe lonke ngilona ivaka kodwa kuyalo ukuthi ngilwe nabo bonke qina amasaka abanikazi sigula sonke athwele inhlanhla athwele inkinga zalomhlaba sihlula sonke sinda amagwala ngeke umdala nizwe lonke ngilona ivaka kodwa kuyalo ukuthi ngilwe nabo bonke qina amasaka abanikazi sigula sonke athwele inhlanhla athwele inkinga zalomhlaba sihlula sonke sinda amagwala ngeke umdala nizwe lonke ngilona ivaka kodwa kuyalo ukuthi ngilwe nabo bonke qina amasaka abanikazi sigula sonke athwele inhlanhla athwele inkinga zalomhlaba sihlula sonke sinda amagwala ngeke umdala nizwe lonke ngilona ivaka kodwa kuyalo ukuthi ngilwe nabo bonke mangithi bantu wena uthi speaking bantu siye phansi ngifuna sisho phansi mangithi bantu wena uthi speaking bantu mangithi bantu wena uthi speaking bantu ishu sanibonani bafethu ngivalele sanibonani igama uNtombela abantu speaking shumi nesithupha kulingana kwemigqiphilisa abantu mashiya amahle intombi zadweba ngidabuka le kwaZulu-ke mina kodwa ngikhona la ngithunyiwe nje ngithunyiwe zendawo ethile kuthiwa ngizonipha lento ngizonitshela ukuthi siyagula sonke angazi noma niyaphika yini angiphiki ngiyavuma zahlanga zonke kwasana asana mfethu lesibiza phakathi komhlane nethawula yeah phakathi komhlane nethawula ukunethezeka umsebenzi lento yokucula emehleni waba ngisebenzi ngisadinga ukukhula asaxoxa lento inokujula kepha ungavuka ngovive funa ukuyozimela ogula zama ukukhumbula iphepha libasuse ehlathini shoda bathwala inyoka umphefumulo sendalini sesicawini manje isithemba ningavalini sangangena kwaqubuka manje ngaphuma ningaxakini khonje wegazi musa ungiholele ebukhosini ngisethekwini udlozi lengubo uthembisa ukuphaka ukolini ukuzenza mina ngeke bakhiphe egodini ngiqhuba ngothando lakudala lolo luhlolo emadosini lentinkinga ngifuna okuningi funa ukukhuphuka amabele funa ipopolo zokubuka amabhala ahlehla bathe iqiniso lashisa khane nisacabanga ukuphehla hloso yokuthola indlebe njengesithelo samakhehla baziqinisa benhliziyo ezimanyamana bekuzoba njani ngabe sona silibhadanga umhobholo usaba amakhazi sothapile singabhadanga ngabe ngisakhuluma ukuthi le nyanguba ngimbathanga baphinde kucace ukuthi lento senzelana yazi imali ifuna sifane kodwa isinedendelana utho ngedwa ngiphethe isibane bomnyama ngangenzelana mangabe ngizosinda umhlaba ngimazi umdala omhlengelana phakathi komhlane nethawula ingane ngingacalela indubabe zehlawo phakathi komhlane nethawula umntwana ufuna ukulala ufudumala ngemlawula mangithi bantu wena uthi speaking bantu phezulu-ke manje mangithi bantu wena uthi speaking bantu ishu khona uthi speaking kodwa angazi isikele kuyo kuyangisiza ukuthi ngikhiphe amafoni-ke manje angazi ukuthi vele bewangekho why angaphumanga amafoni lesibiza ukuthi umona wani uyazi nokukhula namajita nokukhula nabangani nokukhula nabafowenu bese kuba khona nje leyo nto lethi mase nikhulile uzibuze ukuthi umono wani ngoba manje bezincenga sonke lento sikhuluma ngaloko mangabe nawo nomono sibuze ukuthi umono wani isifo umkhuphulele lona kancane mfethu ithi umono wani umono wani ithi umono wani suka sonke ngaphansi umbono wani okanye ngabaswele kanti inkondlo zabo zixhumanisa nabaphansi yebangani ulwazi exabene nemali ethwalelo konke okwenzeka phambili eqalemo akukho lolu funa ucula dala siphupha sithembukula sekuthula maba sihlupha umono wani suka sonke ngaphansi umbono wani okanye ngabaswele kanti inkondlo zabo zixhumanisa nabaphansi yebangani ulwazi exabene nemali ethwalelo konke okwenzeka phambili eqalemo akukho lolu funa ucula kudala siphupha sithembukula sekuthula maba ithi isandla sinentambo yokuthula sibanga uthando namandla sifunda manga sibuya ngolaka ngenxa yokuthanda amandla silahla ukwanda khohlisana masifuna ukuchaza ibandla sikwazi ukwakha sikwazi ukudiliza umbala futhi sasikhandla besingekho kanti besigcwele impilo njengenhlanzi olwandle ukuphatha impande ubuhle besono ngokubeka abanye phandle abanye manje bamisa izinto makumele basikhandle vikela kude ngoba eduze ngenzeka siphandle cebe nemali senza sixhabule sabasathana sithemba ngemali sithenga konke inkululeko bani namanje siyazi inkululeko lomkhuleko wani izandla sihlangana zombili impumelelo ngani ikhetha izandla lesi sikhetha ukuhamba nomhobhola ngaphumbejezana ukhetha ukuhamba shaya ngodondolo ayazi inkinga ulanga isilima ngokuthanda ukhonkolo isandla isithundu sithanda umono wani suka sonke ngaphansi umbono wani oqanye ngabaswele kanti inkondlo zabo zixhumanisa nabaphansi yebangani ulwazi exabene nemali ethwalelo konke okwenzeka phambili eqalemo akukho lolu funa ucula kudala siphupha sithembukula sekuthula maba sihlupha umono wani suka sonke ngaphansi umbono wani oqanye ngabaswele kanti inkondlo zabo zixhumanisa nabaphansi yebangani ulwazi exabene nemali ethwalelo konke okwenzeka phambili eqalemo ithi wake walibamba utalakho noma ukude nemihlolo ufuna ukubona mangingabanjwa ngesitha nami ngathola okunye kunokudinga amakhala ngoba isandla sikuzibona izandla mazingagezani zasulelana ngokungcono isandla sombona isandla sikhuluma ukudlula imilomo isandla senono mhlawumbe sacasha siphathe inganono nganda ngomlomo kodwa kunezandla ezenza kangcono zakhe ithembe lihle nengane zidle ngalo lekhono khangeza phela ngamukela impilo njengoba injalo mhlawumbe ungazakhela ubuhle bempilo ngabo lokubhala izandla singakubalela kulahleka insilo nomdlalo kuzolebala ingane engazazi nazo zinekhala ezinye mase ngibona sanokuphakamisa isithupha zithi siyabonga ntombela ukubonisa ukuthi singaphupha ukubonisa ukuthi singaphupha sibonga isandla sakho sibonga nesandla lesi sakuphi umono wami suka sonke ngaphansi umbono wami oqanye ngabaswele kanti umono wami suka sonke ngaphansi umbono wami okanye ngabaswele kanti inkondlo umono wami buza lo phambi kwakho umono wami ngabusali buza yena loze naye umono wami bangithi bantu wena uthi speaking bantu 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 isho igama kusawudombela bantu speaking Sigeleli mfethu. Sarefa la. Kuluvale kancane. Kuluvale. So qalela phansi. Ngifuna ningilandeleni niyawubona manje. Azosuka la emadolweni. Sokhuphuka nawo. Asabe mfethu. Ithi. Yeah. Lamanza sisuka emadolweni kumele sifundise ubhukuthi isandla sesikhathi sinedumbe namhlanje magubuthi ngibathi thanda kabi ukubusa kufakaza eqolo nenwele masithi sikhubaza inkosi ukubuva umuntu encane usalekelelo mfishane namathuba ongasebenzi okwezipho likacingisana ngama manje buzo kudala iphinde isihlekele indidane ngibuyisele emandulo umzana sakala ngongiyani sheshe usifundise ubhukuthi akhuphukile sokhalweni sezaqamatheka inyawo uzosikhumbula usovalweni usodakeni hlekisana nogadule monganqeni kulungula kaze konke akukho ukuthukusa embalweni abamazekile ababancika ngezinto basebenzela isandla nengalo konke nezinto abamaziyo basimisele ngayonke into mabasacupha intokozo khona bafekele isikript bona uphunyuka kwilihle isitha sakho ngeke usibone songaqala ubambe umoya la manje athinta amahlobo khona umthwalo uhambe kude ugqama ngawo masukumo julela isiko lomlambo ngathi kuya ngophuthuma siqalele mfethu angehele ayeke Neolandela amadoda amanzi. So. Yeah, lamanzi afike emadolweni kumele sifundise ubhukuthi isandla sesikhathi sinedumbe namhlanje ungagubuthi ngibathi thanda kabi ukubusa kufakaza eqolo nenwele masithi sikhubaza inkosi buke buve umuntu encane usalekelelo mfishane sinamathuba ongasebenzi okwezipho likacingisana ngama manje buzo kudala iphinde isihlekele endidane ngibuyisele emandulo umzana sakala ngongiyani sheshe usifundise ubhukuthi akhuphukile sokhalweni sezaqamatheka inyawo uzosikhumbula usovalweni sodakeni uhlekisana nogwadule emanganqeni kulunkulu akaze konke akukho ukuthukusa embhalweni abamazekile ababancika ngezinto basebenzela isandla nengalo konke nezinto abamaziyo basimisele ngayonke into mabasacupha intokozo khona bafakele isichitho mona uphunyuka ilihle isitha sakho ngeke usithobe songaqala ubambe umoya lamanzi athinta amahlobo khona umthwalo uhambe kuve ugqama ngawo masukumo julela isiko lomlambo ngathi kuya ngophuthuma xona kuwa sekuqaleni khona umfetho ophumuziwe ungasikhohlisa kubhukude noshaka umuntu ophuma ndiwe nami ngigeza ngawo moda kodwa ngingishintsha omdaliwe bona savukela ukulala waficipha sedaliwe lidakiwe ishoba ngasiphungela vela salingana yikho indoda kufana ongabahlonipha abazali kunjalo nomfazi akekho kumuntu ongamboni umzali noma angakhulisanga naloku akunenza abangani kulunkulu akaze konke linde wena ufike kuye kunomzilo wabekuzala songahamba uphinde kuye kukho kodwa kumele ukhethe umkhathi uveze ukuthanda kuwe kuko konke ngishilo ngizama ukuthi amandla kuwe speaker cishe ngacwila kade emanzini kunempilo amazana yamayila yathi asilungisa amaphilo saqhamana nomesiya wathi sibatshe ngamazipho nikazi unenhliziyo kusikela imfihlo zesipho wajula kamkhonto ufikile nazwela kekho ngangivela kubo bonke babezile wajula kamkhonto ufikile ngaphandle kwelafezila likhe elinye samthini mangithi bantu wena uthi speaking bantu 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 isho ngenzandani
How many times have we been breaking now?
okay eluzala yakho yaphuma nje cela nje ukumbamba nga2 bese ngiyaphuma yabo leli libizo batshele bekuyingoma engirekhodayo ngibhale ngiphume emncwabeni kahle nje yabo ngihlangana nabantu engibagcina ekudala yazi sesihlangana emncwabeni angithi so yileyo nto uthi izisikhulile sihlangana emncwabeni kuphela yabo bayile ngoma mangibhala bengazi ukuthi izobamba umlilo mina mangifaka ku social media bengithi ngiyenzela nje uqhubeka isikhathi athi izobamba umlilo le ngoma yabo asizama mfethu nama ngazi yeah. Sure. Yeah. Inokududuzanyana yayizi ithi wababona inkasi ubatshele sasekhona ngaze kuhlehle qale khona ngeke ngikhona ukuyeke wasungizonda badele bazogqoka ibane banomona inkani ingoma ibase ziphi insizwa isabe igoli eqomile libona ublase othuthukela masekuvulela kumele iqaphele qalele ngibhekele ngomfule kumele nowele lamakhosi okuthenga sibonele isikhundla fisa kusaxele nomncele wabanuka amacala ilanga libalele wabazomosha ubumnandi kuzophoqa ukuthi iqalele lalungalele makunamacebe kumele walwele wabanyakazela ubrand ungafunga bonke abaswela sikwazi ukuyeka manje sanabazali kumele sibakhele sanabafane kumele batshele sonke siningadla kuyekho ungathwele sihlahla masithela njalo ngeke usabona ngekubona nentshela futhi ngisakhumbula namanje asihlangana kwesakhula ngisenokuthuka namanje kuzodlula iphunga elihle kunokunuka namanje futhi uma ngingathola ithuba ngabathuma namhlanje phakathi eduze nasango wathembisa ukumlinda sengiyekile ukuba ngisoka le mimoya bengisinda nengane zidlala ngodaka bese sifuna ukumlinda bengizimisela ukuyomosha kanti umhlaba uzomdinga kumelelo kamshiti ikhafulela zonke izinto kusho umshayelo ukuthi amavili ayajika kule yaqole engathenje ukuthi izofika mhlawumbe ngizoshintsha uma ngithola imali ngizoshintsha impumelelo kamshiti ikhafulela zonke izinto angalijwayele nami sivale futhi siyabonga mena ubatshele ya noma ngingalijwayeli sibona elinye ilanga cela ukunipha leli cela ukunipha leli bafuthi lelibiza abafowethu la ngiyacela-ke nisondele nibe nami labafowethu abangekho lapho kufanele babe khona la lo uthi ntwana khona into engisayenza endlini hamba ngizokuthola ababili labafowethu le ihamba kanje into yakhona ithi aseqiniso ukuthi ngikhumbula abafowethu aseqiniso ukuthi ngikhumbula ama-jets aseqiniso ukuthi ngikhumbula abafowethu ngikhumbula ama-jets mina ngikhumbula abafowethu aseqiniso ukuthi ngikhumbula abafowethu aseqiniso ukuthi ngikhumbula ama-jets aseqiniso ukuthi ngikhumbula abafowethu ngikhumbula ama-jets mina ngikhumbula abafowethu aseqiniso ukuthi ngikhumbula abafowethu aseqiniso ukuthi ngikhumbula ama-jets aseqiniso ukuthi ngikhumbula abafowethu ngikhumbula ama-jets mina yo akekho umuntu obelindele kodwa kusinzi kulinda kugcina kwenzake zimufihlimisa kulento eyenzake wonke umuntu uvana kuswele kwesithunzi secube ilanga lizimisele kobuhlungu kwebiwe umoya ungazimisele kodwa kuphinde kumvikele ukuthi awusekho eduze inhlungu zizakhele kimi kufika ukuthuka zange ngikuzilele kulo mculo ukuzimisele nami ngithatha ukufuza ukuze ngizimisele umfana wasemfule mfulo bakulibele thatha isiphuzo ngishiyele kunye ngitshale ngizimisele sengidlula ngombhalo intwana ngeze kumele themba ukuthi usijabulele sikhulile notebovu obamzalele usike kuzofuna ukushada ngisathanda mina awusafiki noma ngilele fike ngobuhle buhle sizidlalele nalomntana omuhle ngifuna simbhalele awusafiki noma ngilele thina faka insimbi ngithi sengigibele laphela lekhasi ngithi aseqiniso ukuthi ngikhumbula abafowethu aseqiniso ukuthi ngikhumbula ama-jets aseqiniso ukuthi ngikhumbula abafowethu ngikhumbula ama-jets cula nami ithi aseqiniso ukuthi ngikhumbula abafowethu aseqiniso ukuthi ngikhumbula ama-jets aseqiniso ukuthi ngikhumbula abafowethu ngikhumbula ama-jets mina ithi khumbula usibila ngiyathemba usaphila sekuseduze la siyakhona ngale nkonhla samuphila thokozisa ubengithintile wathi ziyawa ziyaphihlika ngiyathemba nayo usaphila ngoba zange ngikwazi ukufika ngiyasibuza uthotshata udlala nini ngaze ngivalele ngaphandle bonga wena nabakini bathi ugazi usemazweni sijaba kabonakali bathi usili usebholeni ulibaba katholakali azeqiniso ukuthi azeqiniso ukuthi azeqiniso ukuthi ngikhumbula ama-jets mina ngikhumbula abafowethu azeqiniso ukuthi azeqiniso ukuthi azeqiniso ukuthi ngikhumbula ama-jets mina ngikhumbula izandla aziqinisa ukuthi ngikhumbula abafowethu, aziqinisa ukuthi ngikhumbula ama-jets, aziqinisa ukuthi ngikhumbula abafowethu, ngikhumbula ama-jets, mina ngikhumbula abafowethu, aziqinisa ukuthi ngikhumbula ama-jets, aziqinisa ukuthi ngikhumbula abafowethu, ngikhumbula ama-jets, mina ngikhumbula okugcina, aziqinisa ukuthi aziqinisa ukuthi aziqinisa ukuthi Sabonga mfethu, Ntombela want to speak English.
One more time for Ntombela want to speak Yeah. Sessions, we do this every second month. You can follow us on all the social media platforms. To do the poetry sessions. Faith. Nobody had to do that other guy a platinum show for free. Bring an artist with his as a blesser. Give us a round of applause, Bafetu! And give yourself a round of applause for coming. Uzosivakashela la ikhaya Bafethu. Mina I grew up already ngitshela ukuthi ikhaya elinganayivakashi akulona ikhaya alifudumelanga Bafethu. On behalf of the Duduza Poetry Sessions, today it's me, Noziane. He's the president, I'm the vice president. I would like to thank everybody also to come and bless us with my performance. Tabo Maduane, my brother, it's always a pleasure to have you here.
Yes, sir.
OG, Blessed M, it's always a pleasure to have you here in the building. Always a pleasure to have you here. And shout out to everybody for honoring the invite here too.